Hi everyone, my name is Kalina. I'm a grade 10 student at Iroquois Ridge High School, and I have the immense honor to serve as one of the Director of Operations at the Student Senate. The Student Senate works to create a Halton Youth Leadership Symposium as their culminative project. And today I'm present at this year's 2024 Halton Youth Leadership Symposium hosted at Elsie McGill Secondary School. The HYLS consists of a keynote speaker and various workshops created by the subcommittees within the Senate. These workshops can include equity and diversity, mental health, Indigenous perspectives and awareness, environmental leadership, among many, many, many others.
I'm very excited to be a part of this. I was one of the participants when I was in grade 7, so it's like a full circle moment being able to be one of the presenters for the second year now.
The team has worked tirelessly to create a beautiful symposium for grade 7 and 8 elementary students from elementary schools all across Halton who are here today to learn, grow, and be inspired to create a better future for all.